Hi, this is Kelly Scholes with your financial tip of the week. Last week I talked about tracking your spending, writing it down, using a check register. This week I want to talk a little bit about credit cards. Although I don't like people to use credit cards unless you can control them. Most people can't. But if you are using credit cards and you got credit card payments, you're paying interest on them, there is something that you can do. You can renegotiate with the credit card company. Call them, try and get the interest rates lower. A lot of people don't even realize how much money they're spending on credit card interest. I had a client that I was working with, and he was spending $3,500 a month just on interest on his credit cards. And when we got that under control, he was able to pay his debt off, all his debt, in less than a year. So if you are paying on a credit card, number one, find out what your interest rate is. Find out what you're paying. And then call the credit card company. Go online, do a little bit of research, because you can research and find out what different credit card companies are charging, and then call your credit card company and negotiate it down. If they won't, go get a new one, a lower one, and then transfer the balance over to that. Ideally, you'd pay it off without having to pay interest. But if you can't, make sure that you work with your credit card company, try and get it lowered so it'll lower your payment. You can pay it off quicker. Because remember, if you pay attention to your needs now, you can have what you want later.